Hey everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and a new chapter of my life has begun. It's raining a little bit, but this is the Stepdeck, guys. I'm going back to Stepdeck. Used to do it before, but yeah, I'm going back to Stepdeck. Explain more in a bit where I'm doing and going. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Eddie V. Hit the subscribe button, click the like button, hit the notification bell, and also comment because it really does help the channel a lot. Now, new chapter in life. Yes, I'm no longer going to be an owner-operator. Going to have to reset my stuff for probably 2 years at least. Basically, truck is still being repaired, but most likely I'm going to end up actually selling it because it's too expensive to maintain. So I'm going back to company driver. I'm actually going to my former boss when I first started trucking, doing Stepdeck. So I'd done Stepdeck before, but it's been like, I would say, a year and a half already since the last time I touched the Stepdeck. So it's gonna be interesting on this daily life vlog. I'm only gonna show you guys what I'm picking up right now because I really do not have the time and resources to do filming on this, but I will show you what I'm picking up. I'm actually going to Sanford, North Carolina to do a pickup. So stay tuned, guys, because I am going to do a nice pickup, and I'm going to show you how it's done as well. So hopefully later I can do videos, how to chain and everything, but I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So right now I am in a Volvo. So I think it's a 670 or something like that. It has an F14 glider. So yes, I'm on paper logs because it's pre-2000. And yes, I will, and it's a 13 speed, and it has about 525 horsepower as far as I know. And yeah, you saw the Stepdeck video just recently, so hopefully I can get it all situated and I'll be able to show you guys what I pick up. So yeah, we'll see where this trucking career takes me, but other than that, I'm gonna keep on trucking. Alright guys, so Eddie B here. I hope you can hear me. So I came in early and I slept a few hours before going. So now I'm going to go out ahead and fuel. And then I'm going to head on my way to Sanford, North Carolina.
Leaving at 4850 Lilac Road on the left.
I hope the gate ain't closed because I have to be here 7:30. Oh, perfect. There we go. Just gotta park alongside him. Be ready to go. All right, guys. So I just what do you call? Got out of there, up there. Checked in. Now I gotta drive up there and get myself loaded. All right, guys, getting loaded. Yep. All right, guys. So now it's time to load these bad boys up. Alrighty, guys, and there you go. Sorry I wasn't able to show the whole footage, but yep, got all loaded, all chained down and nicely chained down. That is for sure. Alright, guys, so I'm headed for my trip. That's all there is to this video. I'm still trying to figure out how to close this window because it doesn't want to work, so hopefully I can get it to close. But other than that, I'm Eddie V signing off. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.